How to create a smart discount pop-up on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own discount pop-up on Shopify. So let's get started. Now to get started with building our own discount pop-up, we're going to be using an application because by default, Shopify does not allow us to build some nice pop-ups. Although we can build our discounts, to build our discount pop-up, we would need a pop-up. So for that, we're going to click on apps and then go into apps and sales channel settings and then open up the Shopify app store. Now that we have opened up the Shopify app store, we're going to proceed with our next step. So in this, we're just going to search for pop-up. You can search for form builders as well, but we have a couple of different pop-up builders, including Pop Convert, Smart Pop, Ecom Pop, Attract, One Click, and Power Pop. All of these are amazing applications. I'll show you guys some of the features and pricing. So when it comes to Pop Convert, it's a free to use tool, which I personally love, and it builds really nice pop-ups. Then you have some other pop-up builders which have different free plans as well as paid plans. So we have this application called Attract, which allows us to get over 1,500 impressions a month with different campaign features. However, the Attract branding is going to be present. Then you also have Smart Pop-up, which is a promotion pop-up builder. This I also really love. It's a completely free application. It's super popular and it allows you to add your own store and much, much more. Additionally, you can also use ProofBear with real-time purchase history integrated with analytics included. So I think this is another really great option. Now, we have several different options. Which one should we use? For this video, I'm just going to be using Pop Convert. So I'm going to click on install. Once I click on install, a new tab is going to pop up, and in our new tab we're going to complete the installation. So I'm just going to have to click on install once more, and once I click on install once more, I can proceed by pinning this to my navigation on the left. Once I pin this to my navigation on the left, we can see a couple of different options. So the app is enabled on our store. However, for some people, your app might not be enabled. To enable the application, click on Online Store, and once you click on your online store, you're going to click on Customize. Once you click on Customize, you're going to click on App Embeds on the leftmost corner, and then click on Pop Convert, and like this, you're going to toggle it to the right, and then click on Save. Now, the actual application has been enabled. Now we're going to go back into our Shopify dashboard and then go into Pop Convert. Once we do that, we can see we have a couple of different options to get started. So for this, we can create our first pop-up or smart bar, or directly click on pop-ups on the left. Currently, we don't have any campaigns, so we're going to click on Create Pop-up. And in this, we are building a smart discount. So I want to offer a coupon. So I'm going to select coupon, and this is going to be my discount pop-up. Then I'm just going to click on create. And once I click on create, this is the view or the preview of our pop-up. From the left, we have our goal. Then we're going to choose our main styles. So first off, I'm going to pick a background color. I want this to be in white. And then the main title color is black. Then the text color, let's say I want it to be green. I can make it green. I can make it red. We have a bunch of options. I'm going to make this a really dark bluish color. Or I'm just going to make it black and make the heading a really dark bluish color. Then we can also include images in the background of our pop-up. So I am uploading this from my device. You can also choose to explore their galleries for, some royalty-free images that might work well with your store. I'm just uploading this and then clicking on done. Now, I don't like the way this looks, so I think I want to opt for a clearer background. Then we have our font family. We have the overlay opacity. So I'm going to make this a good 55%. Then we have our pop-up padding. So I don't like a lot of padding, just the sweet spot is around 40 to 30. Then we have the maximum width. I like to make my pop-up slightly wider. This is up to your personal preference, how wide you want this to be. Then we have your hero image appearance. So if you want a image included, you can choose that as well. I am going to change the padding of this. So we're gonna make this top, right, left. I think the top works well. And once we do that, I am going to upload the file and use the previously uploaded image. Instead of having it as a background, I'll use it as our hero image. And I'm going to reduce the size slightly. So I'm just uploading this over here. And once I've done this, the image will be added in the background. Now I'm choosing my maximum width and I'm making this slightly skinnier like this. Now once I've done that, I can scroll down and I can choose the input and button style. So the button background I'm going to change to a red color. The button text is white and the input background is white. The input text is white. Then we have our pop-up type. So if I want this to be a full screen or fly in, I want this to be full screen. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on content on the left and we can click on the content. So subscribe, I'm going to change the header to say subscribe to get a 5% off coupon. Follow us or subscribe to get free notified. I'm just going to change this to say subscribe for free to get notified on new updates, releases, free goodies, and offers. And after that, I am going to click on this and I'm going to make this bold. Once I've done that, I am going to remove some of the redundant text and I'm going to add a spacer over here and I'm going to remove some space from the bottom. Then I have the form field. So in this, we can enable name, email, and phone numbers. I only want the email. Then we have our submit button, coupon, and the coupon percentage. I'm going to click on create coupon. This is going to be our subscription discount, and this is going to be percentage. It's 5, and the code is going to be discount 5, and advanced settings where it can apply to specific collections as well as start dates and end dates. Now I'm going to click on create coupon, and after that I can add a block if I want more information. If not, I can proceed with the settings, the display, conversions, and more. Once completed, I can just click on publish, click on confirm. And now if I go onto my Shopify store, my new pop-up will be activated. It might take a couple of seconds for the changes to begin working in your store. You guys can see just like that, our new pop-up is here and it looks so amazing. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.